Hi guys, for today's video, I want to show you the 50 tools and equipments and their uses. So, let's get started! First, we have wooden spoon. Steering utensils that will not conduct heat as you steer. Probably one of the oldest cooking utensils which was easily carved from wood with a simple knife. Second one, slotted spoon. Utensil for lifting solid foods such as vegetable from liquid. Ladle, dipper for solids that need to be transported. Rubber scraper, scrapes a bowl clean but could melt if used in a saucepan. 5. Metal spatula, utensils for lifting and turning items like pancakes and meat. Wire whisk, simplest tool for beating and stirring light mixture. Cooking fork, tool for lifting meat or large pieces of food from pans. Tongs, safety features to easily and safely grab food items. Weighted cups to assure the right amount of dry ingredients are used. Measuring spoons, graduated spoons to assure the right amount of the small ingredients is used. Straight edge spatula, a flexible tool for leveling of ingredients or frosting a cake or cookies. Liquid measuring cup, measuring device for liquid only. Pastry blender, tool for cutting, shortening, or butter into flour for flaky products like biscuit or pie crust. Potato masher, tool for mashing potatoes and other items. Decorating bags and tips, bag with assorted tips for decorating cakes, deviled eggs, and other dessert. Rolling pin, cylinder which eases the rolling of dough and pastries. Sifter, wire mesh and rotating bars for breaking up lumps or losing flour. Chef knife or French knife, large knife for chopping and cutting large items like meat and vegetable. Paring knife, a small knife for peeling fruits and vegetables or making other small cuts such as garnishes. Bread knife, serrated blade for slicing through a bread, never needs sharpening. Sharpening steel, flint type rod for sharpening blades of knives. Can opener, bottle openers, handheld crank openers and electric can openers, all making opening sealed cans easier. Kitchen sherd, heavy scissor for cutting meat, dough, pizza, and fresh herbs. Pizza cutter, heavy blade used for cutting pizza and other bar cooking. Pastry wheel, a special blade used to cut dough or pie crust into strips. Melon peeler, round tool for cutting melons. Vegetable peeler, thin blade to remove the outer surface of fruit and vegetable. Grater, various holes and blades which cut cheese and vegetable into thin strips or slice. Cutting board, wood, glass, or plastic surface for protecting counters when cutting foods. Oven mitts and hot pads. Insulated fabric gloves used to protect hands when handling hot items. Cooling racks, wire racks for cooling hot worms. Muffin pans, an oblong pan with round depressions for baking muffins and cupcakes. Cookie sheet, a flat baking sheet for baking cookies. Jelly roll pan, a flat baking sheet with sides for baking bar cookies and other baked items. Loaf pans, a deep pan appropriate 4x9 inches used to bake wheat and yeast bread, meatloaf, and other items. Cake pans, various size pan used for baking identified as width by length in inches. Tube pan, pan with a hollow tube with the center allowing for the cake to rise and yet the center to bake evenly. Casserole or baking dishes, glass, ceramic, or metal dishes that may also have a cover to fit. Skillet fry pan, cast iron, metal or glass pan with low sides and a handle used for broiling foods or cooking into a small amount of fat. Saucepan, a deep cooking pan with a handle and lid for boiling, simmering, and steaming food. 40. Steamer basket, a basket basket which fold and unfold to conform to the size of a saucepan and keeps the food above boiling water to allow its